Welcome back to Bike Plus, your go-to channel for everything cars and bikes. Today, we're diving into a classic yet modernized legend, the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep. Known for its rugged design, off-road capability, and timeless appeal, the CJ3B continues to impress even in its latest iteration. Whether you're a collector, an off-road enthusiast, or just a fan of iconic vehicles, this Jeep has something for everyone. Design and exterior. The 2026 Mahindra CJ3B stays true to its heritage with the classic boxy silhouette, round headlights, and sturdy front grille. However, Mahindra has added modern touches, a refined paint finish, LED lighting, and stronger bumpers for better protection. Its compact yet robust frame is perfect for maneuvering through tight city streets or tackling tough off-road trails. The signature flat hood and open-top option make it a head-turner wherever it goes. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the 2026 CJ3B Jeep comes with a powerful 2.5L diesel engine, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive torque. Its 4x4 drivetrain ensures excellent grip on rugged terrains, while a 5-speed manual gearbox gives full control to the driver. Whether you're climbing steep hills, crossing muddy tracks, or cruising on highways, this Jeep delivers consistent performance with a reliable and durable engine built for adventure. Interior and comfort. Inside, the CJ3B Jeep combines simplicity with practicality. It features sturdy seats, a minimalistic dashboard, and essential controls that are easy to use, even in extreme conditions. While it may not have luxury features, the comfort and ergonomics are designed to support long journeys and off-road adventures. Conclusion. The 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep is a perfect blend of classic design and modern performance, making it ideal for those who love rugged style and adventure. If you're passionate about vehicles like we are, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Bike Plus for more reviews.